We all know that as law enforcement, I'm sure that you did the same thing that I did, is you get home, you strip off that gear, and half of it ends up by the door, some of it's on the dining room table, some of it's in the bedroom, and then especially after your days off, it's all over the place, and it takes you a little while to pull it all back together. So if you had one central location, if you actually had what we're calling a cop caddy, then it would all be in one spot. Plus, correct me if I'm wrong, but you can actually make these look really badass. I mean, they can look really awesome. Alright guys, we really hope that you enjoyed our build of this little cop caddy. As you can see, it doesn't take an awful lot of work, it doesn't take an awful lot of money, and you could customize this any way that you wanted to. You can add your creativity, put your touches on it, make it suit you. It wasn't too bad, would you say?
Nope, not at all. Probably some modifications. Obviously the depth of the black iron pipe here. I'd probably get a nipple pipe that's a little bit longer, just to have more clearance, whether it's plate carrier, load-bearing vest, or soft body armor like this. As far as the shelves, pre-made, local hobby store. Got a piece of wood that was 4x4. We cut it down a little bit just so that we can mount both of these. And then, like Ron said, not too hard.
I think that we're gonna go ahead and give this one away. So if you are interested in having our creation, our little carrier, our little cop caddy, then leave a comment below if this is a video. Shoot an email in to ron@lionstactical.com and give us an idea of your interest in this, how you might use it, who you work for, that sort of thing. We're gonna choose somebody and we're gonna get this in your hands and you're gonna really, really like it. Another thing that might be really cool is to have people tell us what they already have. Maybe something they built, something they use, something like that. So if you would, shoot those emails into Brad. It's brad@lionstactical.com. Give him an idea of what you use, what works for you, what do you like? What is your secret to building a cop caddy or something like this? Anyways, guys, hang in there for the next video. We're gonna keep bringing you tips, tricks, and hacks, things that you can use as a law enforcement officer.